NASA wants paid volunteers to spend a year living in a 3D printed Martian habitat in Texas where they will carry out spacewalks and research using VR tech. It's like a fake, it's like Mars on Earth.
Yeah. Less risky.
Yeah, you just we just tell each other we're on Mars. And we wear spacesuits and we have buildings that make it seem like, you know.
Yeah.
And we eat space food and
space ice cream.
And it's just as good. Nobody needs to know the difference. Applicants must be aged between 30 and 35. I'm out. I just turned 36.
Oh, okay.
I think. Yeah, I'm 36. I'm 36. I'm out. Are you still in? Are you 35?
Yeah, I'm 35.
You're in.
Yeah.
Are you in good physical health though?
Questionable. I'll have to do that test. Some sort of like
the physical test.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got to run a physical on you, and then they're like, "Oh God, look what we discovered here." They'll be like, "What have you been doing?"
Yeah.
They're like, "How long you been sitting on that couch for?" Will.
Yeah. There's an indent over there.
You're like, "Hey man, it's been COVID and stuff."
It's like, no.
Yeah. It's like, we don't want you here.
Denied.
You're not coming to fake Mars. Let alone
you can't wear the VR goggles.
Let alone real Mars. You're coming to fake Mars. 1,700 square foot Martian surface located inside the Johnson Space Center in Houston. Holy Texas Space Central.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of testing there.
Texas has some areas that are kind of Mars-like, although I guess in this case they're building it indoors. Yeah, 3D printed habitat.
That's kind of cool.
Planning 3 such experiments, like Biodome, except Mars edition.
Yeah.
You remember Biodome?
Remind me what that is again?
Pauly Shore. Show the people Biodome. This is I don't know how old I was. Oh, there's an
That's what I was thinking as a biodome.
No. Biodome
movie, right?
is a real concept, but it was a thing before that. Yeah, look at the front cover.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. It was like the concept.
Is that Steve Baldwin?
Yeah. I can never remember which Baldwin, but yeah, that's Stephen Baldwin. Yeah. Anyway, this is 1996. So I was 11 years old, but it was a big deal. They got trapped in this biodome. It had all these different environments, natural environments, and they were locked in there and they had to survive. And it was like, I think a kid could get excited about it. They're like, man, that would be cool if others, had animals and and things like this inside of there. But it was goofy and zany, and I haven't seen it in 1,000 years, so I have no idea.
Maybe the inspiration with this Mars thing is from Biodome.
Your dome away from home. That was the tagline. But man, they used to make some wild movies back then. 1996. Imagine
the fisheye lens.
Getting the green light on that.
Yeah.
Now they just make superhero movies, and then everything else is just on YouTube. That anything else anybody wants to do. But they used to make some weird movies.
Yeah. But that's cool.
Mars on Earth.